Hey guys, I want to show you something that I'd been working on for a few days. So this is a new project. I took a break on Nexus for a little while. But anyway, as you can see, if you look, this just looks like a regular, just a regular web explorer. You'll usually see these in like Apache or in GIX. I don't know how to pronounce that, but the thing about this is not an ordinary an ordinary web server. So if we go around and look around in here, it might look pretty normal to you, but just so you know, this is all these files that you see, all these things, all these directories and folders and files and stuff. These are not even real. These are all SQL. They're all stored in an SQL database. And just to prove it to you, let me go and show you. So we've got all of our little names here. But if we go over here to pages, look at that. Look, you see there's all the names, and if we go to file data, here's all the data. It's all stored in a MySQL database. And something really cool about this is that it's almost completely done with no JavaScript. It's all PHP. Also, we've got Markdown support, native Markdown support, instead of just having HTML. So let me go and find where the hell. Okay, here's a really good example. Look at this. Look at this. This is all Markdown. So I'm gonna show you something even cooler. So basically, I ripped out. I basically just stole Apache's. I just kind of slowly just copied the HTML from developer tools and just constructed it with PHP. But anyway, if you go to Control Panel, Website 1, now we're in the really interesting part. So if we look, it seems like there's a lot more options, and if we go over here, look at this. We can edit. And it will it'll actually update without any JavaScript at all. You see, look, there's our changes. And also, not only that, this is not just ordinary, just plain as HTML and stuff just running free. No. If we try to do something dangerous, like let's say, for example, HTML bad.html, and then let's say let's just do some regular HTML. So HTML. So we're gonna put a body. Also, that's only one example. That's the only time I use JavaScript, is whenever you hit that tab button and it actually makes an indentation, because it really annoys me whenever it actually just like gets out of the frame whenever you press whatever. Anyway, we got h1 hello h1, and then we can also do head, and we can put like a title, so if we create this, we're gonna create it. And we're gonna go and look at it, and I'm gonna show you. So as you can see, it works, but if we do something dangerous, like for example, if we were to put a JavaScript block here, if we put script, and then we put alert, if we do that, as you can see, even though we just did that, it's just not doing it for some reason. Isn't that strange? So I used a library called HTML Purifier. It's really old, but I'm trying to like salvage it, I guess. I'm trying to use it. I mean, it's a pretty damn good library. It's just the problem is that I don't know why, but the people who were making it just kind of stopped giving a shit about it. It's kind of sad. But hopefully, you know what? These HTML and head tags, I added these. Like, it was a really big pain in the ass to add those because it had it built into their system to not like them very much because they used it to like store things as a container, so it automatically just got rid of them. But anyway, whatever. Anyway, I want to show you something else. So if we go over here to the folders, oh my god, where the hell is everything? Folders. We can move things. So let's say we want to go to the root. It will move to the root, and now we're at the root. Look at that. And what else? So also there's also security. So like there's privileges. I haven't added like the ability to move to modify them yet, but that's what this admin thing will be for. Basically there's only 8 privileges, and these are the ones you see. But so yeah. Okay. So oh yeah, that's what. All right. Oh yeah, there's also a little feature that I added here. Let me just make let's make a directory. Why not? And then we're gonna. Where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna go and delete it. So the thing with the cool thing about this is that if you accidentally press this delete button, it won't delete it because you have to put in a word. You have to put in a randomized word to make sure that you're not like accidentally typing it. It's like a thing I came up with because there's no ability for pop-up windows because there's no JavaScript, so I'm just using the backend server to do this. In fact, it's actually not even the backend server entirely. It's also just storing them in a hidden input. Also, here's my CSRF token. Hey guys, hack me on my website that has no internet right now. Yeah. Whatever. Anyway, also just the way it works is it's just an ID hierarchy. There's no actual file system. It's just a bunch of IDs that point at each other. So if we go over here and we'll make a new directory, 12.2.3 or whatever the fuck. Oh, and now we're in the directory. And then make a new file. Oh yeah, just to show you that Markdown works, I'm gonna call it mark.md, and then we're gonna put in a header, and small header. Also tables work too, so you can say T1, T2, and then put in our standard markdown stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I'm taking so long to do this, but whatever. And now we can view the page, and as you can see, it parses it and does it correctly, which is pretty cool, I guess. But yeah, you can do a lot of stuff, like as you had seen a little while ago. Whenever I went into purifier test, it's somewhere. Oh yeah, folder, sub, and then test. If we look, there's like, you can like have a bunch of fucking HTML stuff, which is crazy. Also, I'm gonna be adding like forms and stuff, and backend, the ability to actually add backend server logic, like scripting and stuff. But yeah, that's it for this little video, I guess. If you guys think that this was cool, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, see ya.